Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a ruffle burlap wreath. The supplies you'll need 2 burlap rolls. In this video I have the color ivory cream or whatever you want to call it. You'll need a wire frame, you will need wire cutters, and also floral wire. As you can see, I have already started the wreath, but you're going to see the whole process of how to attach the burlap on to the wreath in a minute in the video. So basically here I'm showing you how I just take the burlap leaf, fold it in half, and pull it in between the wire spaces. Once you pull it in between the wire spaces, you kind of bunch the burlap together. And you do that until you get all the way to the crossbar or until you cannot fit any more burlap in those spaces. And then for each space you just repeat the same process where you fold over the burlap and you push back or crumble up the burlap ribbon until the actual space is full, and then you just start over again until the whole burlap is complete. Now I'm not going to talk too much in the video. You guys will see exactly what I'm talking about throughout, and once I get to the beginning where I'm getting ready to start with a new roll of burlap, I'll come back again and let you guys know what to do. Thank you. So as you can see, we are almost done with the first burlap, and the wreath form is almost complete, almost full. So what you can do is once you finish with your ruffles and you have your wreath nice and full like you want it, you can go ahead and cut the burlap, and you can take some floral wire or chenille stems, whatever you have, and wherever you cut the burlap at, you're gonna cut off a piece of floral wire and you're going to attach the burlap to that crossbar on the end. And you will see what I'm talking about in just a minute in the video. So as you can see, we are now starting with the second roll of burlap ribbon. So it's pretty simple. What we do is we take the floral wire, cut off some floral wire, and then we take and attach the burlap to one of the crossbars on the reform. And then what you do is you fold your burlap in half, take it and push it up through the reform in the space, the second space that's available, and you pull the burlap through. And as you pull the burlap through, you take and squeeze, or squinch, or whatever you want, the terminology you want to use, the burlap together to make it look like ruffles, just like you did with the first roll. And you're going to do the same process that you did with the first roll. You're going to do it with the second roll all the way around to the end. And once you get to the end of the wreath, you're going to cut off your burlap and you're going to attach it with floral wire or whatever it is you have. It's pretty simple. You're just repeating the same process over again until the end. So when you are done with your second roll of burlap ribbon, this is what your wreath should look like. Isn't it beautiful? Usually when I'm done with mine, I'll flip it over to make sure the back is clean and there's nothing sticking out. Sometimes there are some areas where the burlap is sticking out, so I'll just kind of push them in, use my finger to push it in, or I'll pull the burlap ruffle area from the top just to kind of make it a little bit snug and give it more of a clean, professional look at the back. But other than that, this is it. Real quick, simple, easy. Anybody can do this. It's beginner friendly. This also makes a great gift. You can put it on your door. You can hang it on your wall. I mean, these wreaths are very, very beautiful. I love them. I love burlap wreaths. But I just want to say thank you for tuning into my video. I hope you enjoy it and have a nice day.